In this video, I will be talking about an historical signal that is about to flash, and on top of that, I will be talking about one of the most crucial breakouts Bitcoin is currently forming on the market right now, and you need to be paying attention towards this breakout right now, right here. So make sure to smash up the like button. Let's go once again for 700 likes today. Yesterday we smashed it up to 600, but can we smash it up to 700 likes today? It will be absolutely amazing if we can reach our like goal today, but let's right away dive in towards the analysis. So looking at Bitcoin, we can clearly see once again our weekend prediction has been absolutely spot on. CME close price was the 19.3k, and over the course of the weekend we traded below it and above it, but at the end of the day we always come back towards the CME close price. Right now the weekend is behind us and we can look of course towards the price action, what is going to be playing out afterwards. So really, if we're going to do our research right now and our analysis on the other time frames, we can clearly see what is currently happening on this market. And actually, I love to see this breakout that we're currently having. Like you can see, significant resistance getting found on this downward sloping trend line right here. And like you can see, we are currently breaking above this critical downtrend on the market right now. And after seeing this breakout happening over here on the market, we could be potentially in for a very significant movement back towards higher regions. So naturally speaking, the price target of this breakout, and maybe we are still going to be getting a retest on the lower side, but naturally speaking, this is going to be trading all the way back up towards 21.6k. What is already going to be a 15% move all the way back up? What is of course an absolutely crazy opportunity to look at right now. So more importantly as well, we could be looking towards this upward sloping support line, and if we draw it on this chart right here, you can clearly see, okay, we are currently holding on towards the upward sloping support line. We are breaking the downward sloping resistance line. Could we be in for a very significant movement back up here? That is going to be the big question we need to answer right now, right? So really looking at the trend we're currently trading in, we're currently still forming lower highs on this market, like you can clearly see right here. So I will be only really flip bullish on Bitcoin if we do break above the 19.9k. And actually, I do still think it's quite risky to look at long positions right now on the market. But as soon as we do break above this previous high on the market, so the 20,000 US dollars basically, I am personally going to be opening massive long positions once again on this market, because as soon as we do break above the 20k, it is going to give us a confirmation of a new trend direction getting started. And right now we're clearly still trading in a downtrend, and only the thing that is currently holding us up is this upward sloping support line right here. What is of course a beautiful support line to look at, and so far it's holding us up very well, but as soon as we do fail to hold on towards this level, it could plunge down Bitcoin all the way back towards levels around 17,000 US dollars. And the target where I'm actually going to be aiming for is going to be, in this case, 17.5k to of course open big positions on again, and I will be basically start to dollar cost average in towards a swing trade from of the 17.5k. So if we go down to 17.5k, I've got my levels already set up to accumulate more and more Bitcoins over there. I also set up levels around $16,000 where I will be, of course, dollar cost average even further in towards my trading. So what we can also really spot and talk about is this symmetrical triangle we're currently forming, right? This symmetrical triangle's got an insane breakout target for either, of course, a significant movement back up towards 25,000 US dollars, or if we're going to be breaking down in this case, we're going to be targeting somewhere around the 15,000 US dollars, what is of course an insane price target on the lower side right now. So make sure that you are prepared to see a lot of volatility in towards next week. Today it's still on holiday in the US, take that in consideration. So it could be still another very boring day, what we have been seeing yesterday as well. So maybe it's another day of consolidation, but do be prepared for this week to be extremely volatile for Bitcoin. We're of course coming closer towards the CPI reports we're going to get next week, and that is going to be probably having a massive effect, because probably it's going to get priced in this week, because we're going to see some expectations of the CPI report in this week, and it's going to get priced in towards the market. So it could either be very bullish for the markets or very bearish. Anyways, it's going to be enabling a lot of volatility in this market right now. Looking really at the daily time frame, I am still waiting for the bullish divergence to get formed, right? So the RSI is forming right now clearly in higher low still. Price action, not lower low confirmed yet. And I would like to see, of course, this lower low getting confirmed on the price action, because then we could be looking for, of course, this strong bullish divergence from oversold territory, and what could be, of course, an insane play and an insane market reaction. And for me, if I do see this bullish divergence getting confirmed on the daily time frame, I will be almost go all in with my positions. I am going to be, of course, building up very high quantity positions on long trades. So make sure to, of course, as well subscribe to the channel right now. Enable those notifications so you definitely will not miss out on my next trade I'm going to be taking on this channel. More importantly, let me right now talk about this historical signal currently is flashing on the market, right? So, like you can see, every single Bitcoin bottom perfectly got predicted by the pi cycle bottom indicator. And like you can see, it flashed perfectly in 2015. It flashed on the perfect bottom in 2019 or 2018. And right now, it's about to flash once again here. And these flashes basically happen as soon as these moving averages cross with each other. It basically indicates a bottom. And like you can see over here, 2015 we crossed over, bottom was getting formed. Here in 2018 they crossed over, bottom was formed. And look about what currently is going down here on this market. We are about to have another crossover, or basically what I could say, we are about to have the pi cycle bottom indicator flashing its signal, what is of course extremely big. And it could be, of course, that Bitcoin is going to consolidate for another 3 to 4 months around this region. Totally not out of the books. But the bottom indicator is about to be flashing. Maybe we need another flush down here. But anyways, it is coming close. It's coming very close right now here. And this could be, of course, a huge buying opportunity. A huge position where we could be opening, of course, swing trades on. Because if you are going to be able to open a swing trade with leverage on Bitcoin, on the bottom, you're going to make so much money. And that is, of course, exactly what I'm going to be trying to do here. So if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out Bybit here in the link description. That is the exchange where you want to be trading right now. And you can also claim 0% trading fees for 30 days, and on top of that, an insane deposit bonus of $4,800 after initial deposit. But guys, this was already it for today's update video. If you did enjoy this video, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tomorrow I am back at my own place once again here, and I hope to see you there. Peace out. Goodbye.